What is going on, YouTube? Back again with another great video, and today we have one install ready for you guys to view. Today we will be installing Bellworks diff brace for the 350Z. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I hope you guys go out and enjoy this video. Alright guys, we're about to go ahead and do the install on the diff brace that's down here. Let me pick up the diff for you. This is a diff from Bellworks. Okay, the diff brace is right here. we're installing, but here we are. We have the diff brace for Bellworks. So this is the Bellworks diff brace. Comes with 3 bolts. So the diff brace, you're gonna install these 2 bolts into the diff, and then this one will go into the subframe right here. And let me show you how they are oriented. So 2 bolts here, 1, and two. Then you have the 3rd one up top right here. Really simple install. All you have to do is remove 2 bolts and then add 1 for the subframe. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll be using the GoPro so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Alright guys, the first thing you guys are gonna want to do is to buy a 350. That too, but the first thing you guys want to do is jack the car up. We're going to use the diff as a jacking point. Then we're going to put 2 jack stands on each side, left side and right side. She said 10 minutes. Alright guys, so now I'm about to go ahead, take this off. You guys can see it well. Okay, no leaky, boy.
Yeah, that you do worth the money, like.
Alright, now that those are off, about to go ahead and start installing this brace. You guys will see how that goes. Here we go. About to install. This brace goes directly right here. Really easy stuff. Alright. Nice picture, let me not forget. Just torquing them down with my hands first. Torque them down with my hands so I don't strip anything with the impact gun and destroy what's left of my car. Hope you guys are able to see what I'm recording right now, even though I'm tilted in so many ways. Alright, this was going in quite nicely. I don't see any leaks, so that's great. We're doing the thing. So guys, I missed the step on the top right here. There's supposed to be this middle bolt, so you're supposed to put the top bolt first. It goes in between the diff brace right here, if you can see it. But it goes in between it and goes in this little hole here. And then once you put that in, you put the bolt. Make sure you don't slide it all the way in first without putting the bolt, because it will fall in between this little subframe, and then you'll be having a sad time trying to get it out. So yeah, I'm about to go ahead and do that and then put this thing right back together. Really simple install, didn't take me more than 10 minutes if I didn't miss that step. Alright, diff installed, diff brace is now on. As you can see, it's only 3 bolts. Remove the first bottom 2 on the right hand corner, and it's on there pretty tight. Really a simple install, didn't take much. Now we're about to go do a couple test runs and figure out how that goes. Other than that, really easy install, not that hard. Thanks Z1 and thanks Bellworks. Alright, I'm gonna do a test pull, see what happens. See exactly what happens. Gotta wait for these cars. I can't see anything. All my boys just left me in front. Getting so much of a lean back towards the rear wheels, which I really like. Overall, it stuck to the ground, it's planted. It did have a nice little chirp, which it wasn't able to do before. Most of the power was going into lifting the weight towards the end of the car, which is where you lose a significant amount of torque. So I'm liking the new diff brakes as of so far, and from what I can tell, it is doing way better than what the stock subframe would have done along with the diff. Alright guys, that is enough for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.
This is a happy end, 'cause you don't understand everything you have done. Why is everything so wrong? This is a happy